Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about TATA Elxsi hiring guys. Okay, so let me show you before discussing this that guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click what bell icon button guys. Okay, so these are the this is the basic Microsoft form guys. Okay, and in this form guys they have also mentioned the all the things like eligibility criteria. They have mentioned only 2020 batch, 2022 pass out, but guys in the form you will see the 2021 also available. So 2021 students also try once guys, because maybe they have done some typing mistake in Microsoft form. Maybe guys, I can't say, because they have mentioned 2021. So you can both the batches students can apply in this. Next thing is guys, you have a 60% in 10th and 12th, right? Next thing is if they are any backlog, then you need to complete your backlog within 6 months of joining. Okay. The next thing is let me move next. Hmm. Basically, test is there, guys. And I have just seen. Let me show you. Any doubt, could you can ask in this mail ID as well. Okay. The next thing is this is okay. After this form guys, okay, you have one test that is 120 minutes, and verbal analytical coding, MCQs and coding is there. Clear? Remaining is not that much important. Okay, basically they are their office is Bangalore or ye Chennai, Hyderabad. Okay, cozy cozy kodu. I don't know about this location here. I just heard this location first time. Okay, and Pune, right? So go and check out any doubt query guys, let me know in comment box. Okay, and one more thing, you need to put all the information very correctly. Okay, or any doubt query, let me in comment box. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. And if you have not applied in this is hiring is for 2023 batch guys. Okay, so go and check out both the hirings. I will share the link in the description guys. So take care and bye bye.